Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to open a GAIATOP USB fan for cleaning. So I bought it around 5 months before and I'm using it for a while, and obviously when you use it regularly for a while, quite bit of debris will get stuck to the fans. So many people doesn't know that you can always open it up and clean it. It's quite easy, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys that. So for opening it up, what you have to do is hold the back side. Don't hold it on the this stand here. You have to hold it here, and the top part, if you see, you can see there they have given, there are two lines. You can see that there are two lines. Yeah, this two lines. Let me focus it. So what you have to do is hold it here like this, or you can even hold like this also. It's up to you, but don't hold it here. That's it. Hold like this and put both the hands like this and just twist it. See, once you twist it from here, it has came here, and you can always open it up like this. You can open it up and you can clean all the dust with a brush or something, and you can close it up. For closing it up also, it is too easy. What you have to do is, from the place we started, the place, go there, and you can see that line. We have seen that line. Now the line is here. You have to hold it and just twist it. See the, wait a second, see, you can see that it has gone from here to here. For opening again, I'll show you guys. Just do this, open. For closing, like this. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the video and it helped you guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.